Hello, my name is Ricardo Buranello, and I'm the head of Telit IoT Platforms. Thank you for watching the Telit Coffee Connection series. Today, I'll be talking about industrial IoT. Telit is a global company, and part of our offering to the market is our platform and software solutions. Inside Telit, we like dividing industrial IoT projects in two main groups of projects. One that I like calling it connected machines. The other one that I like calling it connected factories. The difference of them is that one, you need to have remote connectivity, device management, and devices, machines spread all around the world. While for connected factories, I like to think more in terms of industrial automation and machines that will be all of them on the same site, typically under the same roof, connected in the same network. Well, let me start talking about the first example. On the connected machines, we provide solutions for our customers, end-to-end solutions, so they can connect machines of any type, making these machines smarter and accessible from anywhere to their employees as well as to their customers. Think, for example, as car wash machines. If you have these types of machines, they might be in hundreds of gas stations, in many states, and eventually many countries. Having the ability of understanding the quality of the service you're providing, the health of that specific machine, and the characteristics of the business, as well as having the ability of providing maintenance without the needs of being in front of this machine, might be a game changer for this type of OEM. Telit has a global IoT platform called Devicewise. With Devicewise, you can extract the data from these machines with hundreds of drivers that are available that you don't need to write one single line of code to collect native data out of PLCs, robots, CNCs, sensors, and much more. Collecting this data on the edge allow you using Telit Devicewise platform to transform this data so you can have local data visualization as well as you can push this data to the cloud. Telit has a global cloud offering that you can do connectivity management, device management, remote access, tunneling, and so much more. With this, OEMs from all around the world, they can have remote access to these machines, understand what is going on in real time, and do all the device management of these devices, creating campaigns and changing the logic of these devices over the air. On the other type of project, when we're talking about connected factories, the difference might be that you typically have different types of devices from different vendors. Controllers from companies like Siemens, Rockwell, Omron, Mitsubishi, coexisting with robots, CNCs, torque tools, and many other types of machines and equipment that are used on the shop floor on the production line. Collecting the data in real time from these devices allow you to understand the performance of your line, implementing preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, KPI controls for efficiency controls using OEE applications and much more, integrating your machines with your IT systems. With Devicewise, you do all this without writing one single line of code. So you don't have the cost and the risk of having custom code solutions every time you need to collect data from a certain device and integrating it with a certain software. Our solution is completely bidirectional. So you can have this complete integration pushing the data from machines to systems, as well as reading data from your enterprise systems. For example, if you have an MES solution, you can read your MES, understand what is the next part number to be produced. Devicewise can process this information, collect the recipe in a database, change the recipe in the controllers, check the line if the setup of the line is correct, and start the line. Calculate the efficiency of this line in real time, pushing this data to displays for managers and operators to know, as well as having this integration with other systems such as SAP, SAP PM, Oracle, Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and so much more. In reality, deploying IoT is no more an effort of constructing tons of custom code software, but really implementing the best solution that exists in the market. With Devicewise, you have this complete solution end-to-end, both on projects that require remote connectivity on machines and equipment that will be spread geographically, as well as to devices that will be concentrated under the same roof. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that we can set up some time to talk personally. Our IoT experts are here to support you on your next project. Let's enjoy a coffee together. Thank you and have a good day.